Okay, so this is my project for the final design. What I decided to make was a sort of radio transmission system, and I really wanted to do amplitude modulation. So what I did here is I set up a transmitter circuit and a receiver circuit, and effectively both of these circuits can be turned on and off, and they will communicate with each other. So it all starts here at the transmitter circuit, which has two different ways of transmitting signals. It can transmit just a square wave 1 kilohertz signal, or it can transmit music or audio from a microphone. So just to power it up, I have a switch right there, and so as soon as it powers up, you can see that this signal is starting to be received by the receiver. And then also to tune it and just to get the best distance here, we can actually see how the range causes the signal to fall off. And I was able to sort of improve the quality of this signal that was transmitted through a technique called amplitude modulation, which is used in radio broadcasting. So basically the way that it works is that it takes this signal and it modulates it with a oscillator right here, and actually you'll be able to see that if you remove the oscillator, the signal quality goes drastically down, and as soon as you add that modulation back in, you can actually hear the audio on the other side. And can you get up close to it just to make sure that they can hear? Yeah, and then on the receiver end, basically there's a demodulator circuit here which has a diode and then resistor and capacitor that will basically get the outline of this amplitude modulated signal. You can see that right here. You can also see that there is some clipping, which can be reduced if you either reduce the volume of the music, or if you reduce the amount that the signal is modulated. I used a lot of extra sources. One source was this textbook, Introduction to Communication Systems. And then I also used sort of like the data sheets for the audio amplifier, op amp, different things like that. And that's about it. So thank you.